Good morning, it's 17th of August 2011 and this is your daily outlook. The euro edged lower against the dollar yesterday after weaker than expected Eurozone gross domestic product figures. The second quarter GDP revealed the economy expanded by 0.2%, while the market was expecting a 0.3% gain. Later in the day, the euro found support after German Chancellor Angela Merkel and French President Nicolas Sarkozy said they were committed to defend the euro. Focus now turns to the Swiss government and the Swiss National Bank, SNB, and whether they will announce a plan to tackle the franc's appreciation. Against the greenback, the euro dipped to 143.52 from 144.71. Versus the Swiss franc, the single currency jumped to a three-week high at 115.50 from 111.62. The US dollar was modestly firmer yesterday off rating agency Fitch confirmed the US AAA rating. Economic data also supported the greenback after positive figures from industrial production, housing starts and capacity utilization. Versus the Swiss franc, the dollar rallied to 0.8016 from 0.7769. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar edged slightly lower at 76.60 from 76.92. The British pound rose to 164.76 against the dollar for 163.23 ahead of the Bank of England meeting minutes expected at 8:30 a.m. GMT. Investors expect the two hawkish MPC members to withdraw their vote for a rate hike and to have an unanimous decision to keep interest rates unchanged. Unemployment figures are also expected today at again 8:30 a.m. GMT. Oil prices rose to $87.92 a barrel from $85.61. Gold edged higher from $1,790.53 an ounce from $1,761.10. Silver also ticked higher to $40.13 an ounce from $39.26. And now moving on to the currencies to watch out for. USD. Pivot point 143.50 with preference to go long at 143.60. USD Japanese yen, pivot point 77 with preference to short at 76.95. Australian dollar USD, pivot point is 104.05 with preference to go long at 104.05. The cable, pivot point is 163.95 with preference to go long at 164. USD CAD, pivot point is 198.60 with preference to short at 98.60. Now looking at the commodities. Oil, pivot point is $85.60 with preference to go long at $85.60. Gold pivot point is 1,767 with preference to go long at 1,767. Silver, pivot point is $39.40 with preference to go long at $39.40. And now let's look at today's calendar and market movers. UK unemployment change in July is forecast to fall to 20,000. UK unemployment rate is forecast to remain unchanged at 7.7%. European Consumer Price Index in July is forecast to fall to 0.6%, and US Producer Price Index in July is forecast to gain 0.1%. And now moving on to the equity markets. US equities were negative on Tuesday with the S&P 500 trading down minus 0.97% and the Dow Jones down 0.67%. European bourses were mixed with the FTSE trading up at 0.13%, the DAX down minus 0.45% and the CAC down minus 0.25%. The Nikkei and the Hang Seng at the time of writing are trading at minus 0.51% and up 1.38% respectively. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm James from the Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.